trying to participate, the praying to Lord. He always trying to save the people, save the devotee, save the creations. So I like himself, our Manik Babu. He always loved me. He always encouraged me.
Where physical assault you?
In the morning time when they beat me, my whole body affected by their beaten.
আপনি কি এটা শাস্তি দাবি করেন?
Yes, yes.
দোষীদের শাস্তি দাবি করেন
Yes,
আপনি?
yes. Because those who are the criminals, they are the members of terrorism.
এবং তার সাথে আর অন্য কেউ আছে না তারা দুইজনই শুধু?
Yes, if I
অজ্ঞাতনামা।
get the chance, opportunity to expose their name, to leak out their name in future, if possibly you will help me.
তারা কি আপনাকে হত্যার হুমকি দিয়েছিল?
Yes, they are always trying to kill me.
It was very sad.
I again and again reported to the Thana police station
GD.
to inquire, to investigate this matter, why I am not able to stay here in peaceful situation.